Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So, aalis tayo. Pupunta tayo sa depo ng Royal Mail kasi yesterday na-miss ni Jan yung parcel ko. And it says here, it's too large for your letterbox. Kaya hindi nila iniwan. Hindi man nila iniwan sa labas. So, kailangan naming pumunta sa depo.
Must be such a big parcel.
So, yeah.
Should I switch heating off now?
You can do. I wasn't here yesterday. I was not at home. Kasi I did do my 14 hours shift yesterday. At si Jan lang yung nandito. At si Jan, lumabas si Jan. Kasi nag-pick up siya sa Polaris. Kaya ayun, na-miss niya yung... Huh? Yes, I got the card. Yeah, the piece of card, yeah. So, ayun, lumabas si Jan. So, na-miss niya yung delivery. Oh! 3 degrees! Cold. Hindi na ako nag-change. Yan. Pang bahay lang ako. Mag-jacket. Hindi naman ako lalabas. Si Jan lang yung lalabas. Bye, Bears! We'll be back very soon. We'll be out like 10 minutes, honey.
It takes 10 minutes to get there.
Half an hour. And we'll be back. Look at these trees. I like the color of these
You'll
trees.
see one.
Look, that one, oh. So pretty.
You'll see one.
It's warming.
Been on all this time, they're not.
Very bad parking. And nandoon yung... Where is the depot, Han? Depot is here? Yeah, there you go. Don't know where to park.
Probably it's weekends, everybody's at home.
There you go, sir. Thank you.
Lock your door.
Bye.
God, it's freezing.
It is freezing. Hindi ako sasama sa kanya kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. Tingnan nyo. Yung pa ako. Wala akong socks. Ganito lang ako. Parang yung bally shoes ba? Bally shoes ba yung tawag nito? Or pumps? Ano? Basta ito. Walang socks. O diba? Parang hindi maginaw ba? Pero maginaw eh. Nangangatog yung tuhod ko dahil sa ginaw.
No one won't go through letterbox. Superdrug.
Han!
I've been buying from Superdrug.
I told you what it is. Secret.
Yes, you told me. It's a secret.
We will unbox it later. Thank you, Han, for picking my box.
Okay.
We're here.
And Scooby-Doo's shouting.
So, ito na yung box natin. We need a knife.
I'd like to know where the little knife is.
Blame me again.
No.
That's what you always do.
I think that's thrown it out. So easy to do.
Probably. So, itong video na to, this video will be uploaded on 1st of December. Today is not 1st of December, but then we will try to do the Vlogmas. Itatry natin kung kaya ba sa schedule. So, ito na yung nabili ko. It's a beauty advent calendar. There.
What?
Yeah! Next. From Next. Ito siya.
Love Disco.
Next Love Disco. No, Love Lost Disco. Yan. Let's see where is the first one. Ito yung first. Magpapaganda muna ako, uy. Okay lang ba?
On the first day of Christmas, my true love said to me. Something. Can't remember what it was, no?
So,
It says something, I remember.
what? So we will open this first.
It's in the house.
I'm so excited. Ano kaya to? It's a... Is it lipstick?
You don't have to open it. Please.
Yes, I did open it. Because this video will be uploaded on 1st of December.
You're supposed to wait to get excited on 1st of December.
I know. So the first item is NYX Suede Matte Lipstick. Yung shade niya is ito. It's not focusing.
I'm curious.
Yan.
I'm curious. How much did this cube cost?
It's 45 pounds. Look at your face.
Holy what? 45 pounds?
Yeah.
You're having a laugh. You can't even select your colours.
I could not even use this color.
No, I wouldn't. It wouldn't suit me, that.
Come on.
No.
Mabango yung lipstick, ha?
I need to go and check it out.
Maganda yung shade niya, kaso why violet? It will not suit me this. I might wear it or not, I don't know. But ito yung first item natin. So, alam ko hindi ngayon ang December 1, pero hindi kasi ako sure kung I will have the time to vlog the actual December 1. Hindi ako sure kung ano yung mga schedule ko. So, I'm just thinking na why not do the video now and, you know, schedule it for 1st of December, diba? So, yeah! Ito yung first box natin. Not first box. First item. And, yes! Actually, this is my first ever beauty advent calendar. Nagkaroon ako ng mga advent calendar, pero yung mga chocolate calendar lang. Pero yeah, this is very memorable kasi ito talaga yung first ever na beauty advent calendar ko. And our first ever Vlogmas kung kakayanin natin. So, mga palangga, adya tayo. Anyway, kakain tayo kasi meron tayong leftover rice dito. Yan. Natawa talaga ako kay Mr. Earl nung sinabi niya, 45 pounds! Ano na nga yan eh, mas mura na nga yan compare sa ibang beauty advent calendar. Kasi yung ibang beauty advent calendar, sobrang mamahal nila. Depende din sa brand ng mga beauty advent calendar. Yung MAC, meron silang beauty advent calendar. Namahalan ako, uy, alam ko na sasabihin nila kung ano yung parang approximate worth ng beauty advent calendar, pero wala pa akong budget. So, ito na lang yung kinuha ko, yung next 45 pounds siya nung binili ko siya sa Super Drug. And sabi doon sa website nila, yung advent calendar na yun, worth siya ng 210 pounds. So, yeah, di ba? Okay na yan. For my first beauty advent calendar, happy na ako doon. And, yun na nga, nasabi ko ba? Mag-a-advance tayo ng video kasi I find it impossible to vlog that day, like let's say for example today is 1st of December. I find it impossible to vlog that day, edit, post or upload that video in that very same day. So for me, parang ang imposible naman. Well, that's my opinion. So anyway, Maghaham lang ako ngayon. Repituhin ko to. Yan. At kain tayo. Stay tuned mga palangga kasi may pag-giveaway tayo. Stay tuned kayo. Babalikan ko kayo later. So, ito na yung breakfast ko. So, kakain muna ako before ko sasabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mechanics sa giveaway natin. I'm pretty sure na i-skip nyo tong part na to. So, kakain muna ako, ha? Kasi gutom ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako mag-e-egg, pero nagbago yung isip ko, nag-egg ako. Isang egg lang. Sarap. So, ito na. Tapos na akong kumain. Ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo. So, magpapag-giveaway tayo mga palangga para na rin pasasalamat sa inyo kasi umabot tayo ng 170,000 plus subscriber. Maraming salamat talaga. So, ang giveaway natin is 20,000 pesos. Dalawa yung mananalo. So, tagte 10,000 yung mananalo. Open internationally. So, like for example, nasa Amerika ka, yung 10,000 pesos, ika-convert natin yan sa Amerika, sa dollars money. Hindi yung, kasi 10,000 pesos, no, I'm not gonna give you $10,000. I cannot afford that. So, yun yung giveaway natin at yung mechanics sa giveaway natin. Of course, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button para you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Go to my Facebook page, like and follow my Facebook page. And mag-comment kayo dito sa video na to, ha? Dito sa video na to. Kasi if you gonna comment to the other videos, hindi ko yan tatanggapin sa giveaway natin. Dito talaga kayo mag-comment ng hashtag Christmas 2019. And optional lang to para mas maging merrier. I-share nyo tong video na to. Optional lang, kayo nang bahala. Pero yeah, share nyo kung bet nyong i-share tong video na to para mas maraming sumali sa ating giveaway. So, the winner will be announced the 20th of December. 20th of December. So, isa-send ko yung money through bank, through Western, depende na yun sa inyo. And please, contact me through email. Kasi i-announce ko kayo pag, I will try to contact you, pero please contact me na kayo yung mananalo, then tapos tayo na ang mag-usap-usap. So, yun! Good luck to everyone! Good luck! Titingnan natin si Mr. sa labas. Sobrang busy ni Mr. He washed the Can-Am and Polaris. Kasi yung Can-Am yesterday and yung Polaris was out yesterday. Merong nag-rent. At yung car niya, sobrang ding dumi. So, ayun. Nililinis din niya yung sasakyan niya. Hi! No, it's not very warm. It's cold. It's very cold. Tingnan niyo yung mga bata. Ang cute-cute, eh. Ginaw sa labas. Oh, hindi tayo. We're not going down. I need to put this. Kasi tingnan niyo yung ilong ko, ha. Makikita ba sa camera? Ito yung sobrang daming blackheads ng ilong ko. Yan, may mga blackheads yung ilong ko. So, kailangan na talaga. So, yun. Nakakatakot tingnan, di ba? Yan yung closer look ng ilong ko. So, babasain ko muna yung ilong ko. Kasi kailangan kasing i-apply siya na wet yung ilong mo. I really want Mr. to try this kasi yung ilong ni Mr. marami ding blackhead. So, ito na. Hihintayin ko na lang siyang tumigas. While naghihintay tayo na matuyo to, gagawin ko muna yung mga laundry. Mga sinampay. Kailangan kasi silang i-rotate. Kasi pag hindi mo sila i-rotate, yung nasa ilalim, basa pa, yung iba tuyo na, yung iba hindi pa. So, needs a regular rotation yung mga clothes, mga damit. May mga sinampay din ako sa radiator. Tulad nito, oh. Yan. Tuyo na to. At ito rin, tuyo na. Naka-on kasi, oh. Sobrang init. So, kailangan na lang natin silang plansahin. I will iron them later. Tuyo na siya. Nanonood ako ng horror film. Tuyo na siya, mga palangga. Ipopost ko muna yung pinapanood ko. Ow. Ouch. Masakit pero maganda sa pakiramdam ba? It's so satisfying na may nakukuha siya. Oh. So, tiis ganda talaga. Ow. Marami siya nakuha, aha.
Coffee!
Yes, please.
My leg's tickling.
Why your leg is tickling? Is your eczema itchy again? So, now you know, Jan got eczema.
Just a little on my legs. And on the bottom.
I need to wash my nose.
Just a comb.
Put a cream on it, sweet.
No.
Don't start scratching it.
What are you watching?
Horror film.
Oh no.
Isasort natin yung mga inayon ko. Ito na sila. At yung uniform ko at yung shirt ni Jan, naka-iron na rin. Yan. Ito yung buhay asawa. Bahay. Kung wala sa trabaho, bahay. Gawain bahay. Edit ng mga videos. Yun lang talaga. Ito yung reality. Hindi man nag-online ulit yung family ko. Kahapon, kausap ko sila. Pero hindi sila nag-online ngayon. Sabi nila mag-online sila. So, mga palangga, papunta na ako sa trabaho. So, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Ito na yung Vlogmas natin for today. So, maraming salamat sa panonood. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. And bye! Mwah! Mwah!